Hey guys, hope you're having a good afternoon. I'm just going to show you something real quick on the Desmos. If you get to this page right here, there's some confusion in the first class about what you're supposed to do, so I just want to go through that really quick. If you click on the link, you need to scroll down and find the hourly temperatures. They're listed here. And the basic idea here is I've already given you today's temperatures. I've also already given you Sunday's temperatures. You just need to go in and put in tomorrow's temperature, Saturday, for Hamilton. The way you're going to do that, you're going to click on this next 8 hours. You're going to go all the way until you get to 8 a.m. And starting at 8 a.m., looks like it's 29 degrees. That's what you fill in on the table right here. So 8:29. The next one would be, it's like 9 a.m. is 33. Fill that in, and you're going to notice after 12 we just keep going. That's because we don't want to go back to 1 on our graph and we keep going. So 13 is 1 o'clock, 14 is 2 o'clock. It's just military time. If you have any more questions, feel free to email me on this activity. I'm just sitting at home right now while the plumber's doing some work. Thanks, guys.